Hello everyone, welcome to new video. In this video, I'll show you how to give a name of your house in Google Maps. It's very simple and easy. Now let's start. First open Google Maps on your device. Then tap on your button. Then labeled. See here, there are a home option. If you select this, you cannot edit this name here. If you give a custom name of your home, then tap on add a place. Now enter your address here, or you can tap on source a map, source and map. Now select your house address. After selecting, then tap on save. Now give a custom name. You can here enter your house name here. Now tap on save. See here, my house name is here. That's it for now. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. If you enjoy this, please like this and also as well as subscribe our channel for more interesting tech videos. Thank you.